I have been wanting to switch our formation from a 2-3-1 to a 3-2-1 since our shooter's friendly in August. I want to do this for two reasons. One, I think it simplifies the responsibilities of the formation and it's easier to understand. And two, I think it captures the personalities of our boys a little better and how they like to play soccer, which is much more aggressive. Now, 3-2-1, if you can remember, means that we have 3 players on our first line closest to our goal, 2 players on our second line, and then 1 player on our third line. I'm going to go over each of the positions quickly because, again, the idea is this is simple. The 1 is our goalie. The goalie does goalie things. The 2 and 3 switch to a fullback, or what we'd call wingers. The responsibilities of the 2 and 3 are to operate along the edges. Whether through dribbling or passing, we expect and want them to take the ball up along the edges. That way, if we lose the ball on the edges, it's easier to recover defensively. And it also ends up being the freest space because the other team guards the central part of the field most frequently. So 2 and 3 are our edgers now, and they can go all the way up, all the way down. They can come in, they can defend in. So these are the wing concepts. Our 4 will be our lone center back, but he'll also have responsibilities as a center mid, meaning the center back is really the key to our defensive structure. Because of how aggressive this formation can be with sending the 2 and 3 all the way up, the 4 becomes more of a sweep and also more of a central mid. So the 4 might operate all the way up into the opponent's box and then all the way down to our goalie box. So they get this whole range of motion, but their primary responsibility will be to counter any time we lose the ball so that we can prevent the team from taking easy shots on the goal. Our 5 and 6 will be midfielders. I said central mid left, central mid right, which doesn't make a whole lot of sense. They're really center left or center right, but really both of these are mids. I'm not putting them on either side of the field. The 5 and 6 can go anywhere they want, but they want to stay more central or at least be in a position to help centrally. And why I say they can go anywhere they want is there may be times when if the ball comes out from our goalie to our 2 and the 5 checks down to get a pass, the 6 might need to run across. And this was a passing pattern we worked on this last week and then up. So 5 and 6 have no restrictions on where they can go, but the idea is that we want to train them to find open space in the field, but also make quick passes to attack. So if someone doesn't kick very far, it doesn't make sense for the 5 to come here and the 2 can't kick very far. So we've got to play within the player's abilities. But they are the transitioning piece to attack and take shots on goal. And then the 7, we won't have a 7 generally when we play indoors unless we're down by 4 or more. But the 7 is going to also be attacking centrally and trying to score goals and also working the edges to get those quick passes and the transition down. So recap, 1 is our goalie, 2 and 3 work the edges, 4 is our sweep, 5 and 6 are our transitions, and then 7 is a further deep transition. I hope that this formation will make sense as we play it a little bit more. It's risky when we go mid-year and just change the formation. And my goal was that they'd learn both the 2-3-1 and the 3-2-1 by the time they were done with their U10 and feeling confident with both and changing the formations as we needed to. But I really do think that this formation will help us as we play soccer according to the boys' abilities and how they like to play soccer.